Welcome back, guys. You remember this pump, this compressor I made last time? Well, I'm going to try something different because I'm thinking the amount of air going in is little and there's a lot of air coming out, but if I put a thinner tube or something in there so the air is controlled, maybe this will run a little bit longer. Last time I tried, I kept the pressure going in there for half a minute. This moved so much, and then I put the pressure in for 1 minute and still it moved the same amount, so it didn't make a lot of difference of how long I left the pressure going in there from this pump. So I'm going to try that, and if that doesn't work, then probably change the tank and make it a bigger tank. Let's have a look. This didn't work, guys. So guys, I thought I'd put 2 pumps on instead of 1 because I know the amount of air going in is not enough because more air is going out of there than the amount of air going in. So I knew that I needed a bigger pump, but I haven't got a bigger pump, so I have got 2 of these. I thought I'd mount them on to see if it would give me enough air flowing through this bottle there. I've connected the 2 in parallel, as it were. And also I've made this thinner because I'm thinking maybe you should force it into thinner, but what I found before when I tested it, it did not really matter. I could have just left it on as a 1 tube anyway, which I had on before. Nevertheless, let's test it now and see if this will work. If this will work indeed, this particular engine. I'm connecting 9 volts at the moment. Sorry, the wire's broken off. For some unknown reason, the wire had broken off here, so I'm going to try again. Well guys, success at last. Hope you subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment if you have any extra information I could use. I'd appreciate that. But that's a success, but I'm still not 100% happy because I'm wondering, because I was going to use a bigger bottle to try it, but then I know if I use a bigger bottle it will go so much until the air's run out again and it will stop after a while. So I'm going to, I think if I try this like a small syringe or something really small, try it that way, see if it helps anything. I don't think it will, but I can only try. So this is the final product. I've settled down to this. I gotta tell you, I tried the single motor directly into here. It didn't work. I tried both of them, joined it up like this, tried it here, it didn't work. You do need one of these things. Well, that's what I found. and so I put a smaller bottle there to try that, and it does work with this now. So I'll put this on here, take it off of that, because I want to just make it one unit now to work on air. I haven't got round to getting batteries and put it on with the battery, although I do know it works with the battery, but it does take a bit of current, so you need a bit heavy duty battery if you can get that. So this is a test, a very quick test. As you can see, that's working fine. Now this is working on 6 volts at the moment, and I found that after a while it stops. And this is on 9 volts now. This is on 12 volts.